Hi everyone, welcome to Jitandar's Biology. Today's topic excretion, the wastage disposing system. That means the elimination of waste from our body is called as excretion. అంటే మన బాడీలో ఉన్న వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్ బయటకు పంపించడాన్నే excretion అంటాం. That excretion can be done with the help of excretory system. With the help of what? Excretory system. Before going to know about the excretory system, generally how the waste has been produced in our body will discuss now. Generally Nana, the waste materials has been produced in our body. The wastes has been produced in our body during the metabolic activities. During what? Metabolic activities. What are these metabolic activities? Means there are two types of metabolic activities. మెటబాలిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ రెండు రకాలు. ఒకటి అనాబాలిక్ ప్రాసెస్, సెకండ్ వన్ క్యాటాబాలిక్ ప్రాసెస్. అనాబాలిక్ ప్రాసెస్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ద సింపుల్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ కంబైనింగ్ టుగెదర్ టు ఫార్మ్ ఏ కాంప్లెక్స్ మాలిక్యూల్స్. అంటే చిన్న చిన్న మాలిక్యూల్స్ అన్ని కలిసి పెద్ద మాలిక్యూల్స్ అయితే దాన్ని అనాబాలిక్ ప్రాసెస్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్. You take in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water combining together form the glucose. That is simple molecules forming the complex molecules. So it is anabolic. In that process, that is in the photosynthesis process also, you take that is waste products has been produced along with the glucose. That is glucose is a useful product, but waste products are what? That is water and water, that is oxygen. Water and water, oxygen has been produced. Same catabolic process, quite opposite. In catabolic process what will happen? Complex molecules are break down into simple molecules. Anabolic lo simple molecules ani kalsi complex ayyayi. Catabolic lo complex molecules break అయిపోయి simple molecules ka form ayitayi. By next example, respiration. Best example what na? Respiration. In respiration what will happen? You take in the respiration, there will be the glucose molecule will break down into carbon dioxide, water and energy. So here the the waste products are what? Carbon dioxide as well what? Water. These are the waste products in the respiration. So like that we have anabolic and catabolic metabolic process in our body. During this metabolic process we will produce the waste products, and such a waste products has been to be get eliminated out. Going to know about the human excretory system, and before going to know about human excretory system we have to know what type of waste products has been produced. ఇంత ముందుకే చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, anabolic process, catabolic process అప్పుడు waste materials produce అవుతాయి. ఆ వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఏంటి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్సెస్ వాటర్. చూసాం కదా ఇంత ముందుకు, రెస్పిరేషన్ లో ఎక్సెస్ వాటర్ వచ్చేసింది, ఫోటోసింథసిస్ లో ఎక్సెస్ వాటర్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎక్సెస్ గ్యాస్ లైక్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ గ్యాస్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వాట్? నైట్రోజనస్ వేస్ట్. నైట్రోజనస్ వేస్ట్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ యూరియా, యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ and ammonia. And what? Ammonia. Among these three, ammonia is more poisonous. అంటే ఆ మూడిట్లోకెల్లా అమోనియా చాలా చాలా పాయిజనస్ గా ఉంటుంది నాన్న. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వేస్ట్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ లైక్ దట్ ఈస్ బాయిల్ పిగ్మెంట్స్ as well as boil salts, boil pigments, and general salts. Okay, general salts like what? Like potassium, sodium, chlorine and etc. Along with that the waste excess amounts of enzymes as well as hormones. Okay, excess amounts of enzymes, hormones are also been excreted out. So these all are the waste products which has been excreted out, has to be excreted out from our body. ఇవన్నీ మన బాడీలోకి వెళ్ళి బయటకు excrete కావాలి, లేకపోతే dangerous to our health. To excrete this we have the excretory system. We have what? Excretory system. Before going to know about excretory system we have to know that is excretion. Excretion is a word which came from Latin language. Excretion అనే వర్డ్ ఎక్కడికి వచ్చిందన్నా? లాటిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లోకి వచ్చింది. In the Latin language X means what? Out. ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, బయాలజీలో X అంటే out. Okay, and whereas excretory means nothing but that is a excretory. Okay, that is cleanery means nothing but what? Shift. That is shifting out waste materials. అంటే వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్ బయట పంపించడాన్ని ఎక్స్క్రీషన్ అంటాం. ఓకే, ఇన్ లాటిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఎక్స్ మీన్స్ అవుట్, క్లీనర్ మీన్స్ షిఫ్ట్. షిఫ్టింగ్ అవుట్ వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? ఎక్స్క్రీషన్. And here if you take excretory system parts means first it consisting of a pair of kidneys. Pair of what? Kidneys. And these kidneys are attached to what? A pair of ureters. A pair of what? Ureters. A pair of what? Ureters. And these ureters are attached to whom? That is bladder. It is also called a urinary bladder. This bladder is attached to whom? That is urethra. It attached to what? Urethra. So these are the parts of human excretory system. You see, it has a pair of kidneys and a pair of ureters. See this tube-like structure. This one tube and this one tube. And it attached to a sac-like structure. What? Urinary bladder. This urinary bladder attached to a tube-like structure. What? Urethra. So these are the parts of human excretory system. First we'll take about the kidneys. We'll take about what? Kidneys. See Nana, a pair of kidneys are present. They are bean shaped. What is the shape of the kidneys? They are bean shaped. Okay, you see these are the bean shaped, seed shaped structures. And next they are reddish brown in color. ఏ కలర్ లో ఉంటాయి నాన్న? రెడ్డిష్ బ్రౌన్ గా ఉంటాయి. రెడ్డిష్ బ్రౌన్ ఇన్ కలర్. And moreover these kidneys outside, okay, outside looking like a convex. Outside will be looking like what? Convex. Whereas inner side, that is inside you look, it will be looks like a concave. Looks like what? Concave. See this outside is a concave and this inner side is looking like what? Concave. Okay, so like this concave. Cave means what? That is an entrance will there. In that entrance will go inside. No? Same like this here entrance will be there. So that side is looking like a concave. You think that. And next outside convex, inner side will be concave. And moreover these kidneys are present in the dorsal region. Present in what? Dorsal, attached to the dorsal walls. Okay, attached to what? Dorsal walls. That means here at the back side, middle backbone will be there, vertebral column and backbone, and either side of the vertebral column we have this kidneys. This is the right kidney, this is the left kidney. Understood here? But in diagram your right side will be acted as a left kidney and left side is acting as what? Right kidney. Okay, this is the left kidney, this is the right kidney. Okay, this is what? Right kidney, this is what? Left kidney. LK means what? Left kidney. RK means what? Right kidney. And moreover if you take that is right kidney, okay, somewhat lower. You see the right kidney is somewhat lower. Why? Because above here we have the liver. So in order to give the placement for the liver, the right side kidney was somewhat lower than the left kidney. Then the what? Lower than left kidney. Due to what? Due to the presence of what? Liver. Due to the presence of what? Liver. And next these kidneys inside in the concave position. You see in this concave position there will be a notch. Notch means what? Nothing but a depression like structure. అంటే చెప్పాలంటే ఒక నొక్కి ఉన్నట్టుగా, ఓకే, లోపలికి వెళ్ళినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది. That structure is called what? Notch. And this notch is called as a hilus or else feature. Hilus or what? Feature. Okay, from this hilus and feature only two blood vessels are coming. What is that? That is renal artery and whereas renal vein. Renal artery and what? Renal vein. Renal vein is coming into the kidneys. They are coming into the what? Kidneys. Whereas renal vein is going out of the kidney. Going out of the what? Kidney. You see this is a renal vein is going out of the kidney. Renal artery is coming inside the what? Kidneys. So this is a renal vein and this is a renal artery coming inside and renal vein is going outside. And renal artery is bringing what type of blood? Impure blood but oxygenated towards whom? Kidneys for purification. Whereas the renal vein is taking what? Deoxygenated blood but which is a purified blood from the kidneys, okay, towards the heart. So this is about the renal veins and renal arteries. And if you take the kidneys measurements means the length of the kidney. The length of the kidney is how much? 10 centimeters. And if you take the breadth of the kidneys, you take the breadth of the kidneys, that is nearly 5 to 6 centimeters. And if you take the thickness, you take the thickness of the kidney, that is a 4 centimeters. So that is the thickness of the kidney. And average weight, actually an average weight Okay, of the kidney is nearly 100 to 150 grams. 100 to what? 150 grams. So this is the average weight of the kidneys. So this is about the total human excretory system. Longitudinal section of kidney. Longitudinal section of what? Kidney. And nothing. For example, you assume my hands. These two hands are a kidney. If you cut into two equal halves longitudinally, that is like this, longitudinally cut it off. That is vertically you cut it into two equal halves. Then that is called what? Longitudinal section. You take this longitudinal section. This outer portion will be dark red in color. That is called what? Cortex. That is called what? Cortex. And inner, that is a bright red in color. That is called what? Medulla. That is called what? Medulla. And here in the medulla, the inverted pyramid-like structures are present. These are called calyces. They are called what? Calyces. Why? Because they are looking like calyx of a flower. And you take here, this is called a renal artery which is passing inside, whereas this is a renal vein which is passing outside. And after this calyces, we have empty space. This is called what? Pelvis. They are called what? Pelvis. And after the pelvis, we will extending a tube-like structure is coming out. That is called what? Ureter. That is called what? Ureter. So these and this line-like structures are called what? Nephrons. They are called what? Nephrons. And these nephrons, okay, are present in each kidney. Okay, 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons are present in each kidney. In each kidney, that is nearly 1.8 to 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons are present. So that's why we can say nephron is the what? Structural and functional units of kidney. Structure and what? Functional units of kidney. That means the kidneys are made up of with nephrons. Kidneys are made up with what? Nephrons. So thereby we can say kidneys are the structural and functional units of what? Nephrons. Understand? Okay. So అంటే kidneys ఎలా తయారవుతాయి అంటే నెఫ్రాన్స్ అన్ని కలుస్తూనే నథింగ్ బట్ కిడ్నీ తయారవుతాయి. ఓకే, సో హౌ వీ కెన్ సే మినపప్పు ఈజ్ ద స్ట్రక్చరల్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఇడ్లీ, funnily saying, and nephrons are the structural function of what? Kidneys. Remember that. Okay, nephrons are the structural function of what? Kidneys. Watching, please like, share and subscribe.